Okay, welcome back. It is day 169 of coding every day. So today I tried out Claude code. I been thinking about getting the $100 a month subscription because it is really good. Like browser based on the pro plan. I think the max plan is like the next one up. And so the one that integrates with the terminal seemed really cool. And so I wanted to try it out and see if it's something that I would splurge on, which I mean it's very expensive. I mean that's $1,200 a year for just an in terminal Claude. But I thought I'd try it out today, and I mean I only tried it for 12 minutes so far, but I don't know. Number one, I think it eats up a lot of tokens, so like you definitely can't go API based, and I wonder how fast this runs out. Number two, see, there's this whole thing that I mean, like as a student, I think the answer is a lot more clear to not do this, and to just actually learn, um, you know, how to code and, going through difficulty and stuff like that. But as like an actual software engineer, that's where it gets tricky, I think, because it's like, obviously you want to be the most efficient version of you without sacrificing at least too much quality. I mean, you can't say fully, it's also, I don't know. It's also how much are you really more quality than something that's trained off of, you know, code that you're inspired by. I don't know. I I doubt it. I doubt you have more secure code. But anyways, when it comes to like that of like efficiency of getting something out, you know, I don't know. I feel like it's kind of um, it would be kind of unintelligent to not use a tool like this. Um, sorry, I feel like it would be kind of unintelligent because it can increase productivity so much. Now, that's for like more personal projects and maybe smaller scale, I don't know, startup type thing. Like I know in an actual big company, code base is so, it can never get that much context. So like I still think there's probably application for it there, but yeah, I think yeah, I don't know. I think it is though. It is pretty definite of like I shouldn't right now, very early on as a student. But at the same time, it's like you want to make sure you like learn these technologies so you can apply them, post grad. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about like all of it. I do know that was boring. Like what is behind me right now, that 12 minutes of just a prompt and then sitting there waiting, generating, is the most boring, lifeless, soul-sucking experience ever. I loved my like first year of coding when there wasn't LLMs was amazing because it was grueling, right? And it was like you actually like experience success. I haven't experienced so much like success in quite a while because I always, when stuff gets tough or like deadlines are coming, I just fall back onto like the large language model, and it's just it's not good. Um so yeah. So verdict is it's good. I mean, like it produced better code and was more efficient than the desktop version from what I've tested so far. But I shouldn't be using it. So I'll probably play around with it a little more on like personal projects, but I really want to just not. This next semester and over this summer, I really, really need to like, I don't know. I don't know. Okay. That is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 170. Take care. Bye.